Michelle here from StrawBearie, and I love packing Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes all year long because I'm able to do so much more when I hit the clearance sales, and I'm always looking for things to put in my boxes, and so I can make more boxes for less money than if I was just, making them in November right before it's time to turn them in. So I have two boxes here that are Christmas themed. This one is a snowman theme, and this one is just a Christmas theme. And these are both for a girl, ages 2 to 4. And most of the things were bought on Christmas clearance for not a whole lot of money. Let me show you the snowman one, okay? So here's her box. And I will pack it a little bit better next time. She's got this cute little snowman stuffy. He's very soft and very cute. She has some little antlers. I thought those were so cute. This was Walmart. This was Dollar General. I found this at Dollar General just yesterday, and the antlers on 90% clearance. I went in there because it's closer than going to the real grocery store, and I needed to pick up some ingredients to make some frosting for some cupcakes, and I was like, oh, I'll just stop by the Christmas clearance, see if they have anything left. And I didn't have a cart or a basket or anything, so my arms were like loaded up, and I'm holding it down with my chin as I walk over to the counter and set it all down. Oh, it was great fun. Okay, let's continue on. She has this cute little snowman water bottle. This was a Walmart clearance. She has, this is not Christmas themed, but it was on Christmas clearance. It is a 2-in-1 cube puzzle, Melissa and Doug wood puzzles, very good quality. I left it in the packaging. A lot of times I will take things out of the packaging because a lot of countries that these shoeboxes are going to don't have good trash service, so I don't want to send them more trash. But something like this, it was all compact and everything, I thought I should probably leave it in the packaging. Okay, so next I have a Frozen coloring book that I got on clearance. I have just a standard notebook, and this I did get during the back to school sales back in August. I like to include a notebook paper in all of my shoeboxes, even for the 2 to 4-year-olds. And this little girl, she's gonna get, a big notebook, a little notebook, and a coloring book. But I just feel like it's important to be able to have a place to write and to draw and things like that. And I've been to some foreign countries, and I've had a hard time finding paper when I've needed it. She has a pencil pack, and inside of my pencil pack, I have scissors and glue and a multi-click pen and pencils and a toothbrush and a pencil sharpener and an eraser and some stickers and a comb. And actually, I'm glad I did this video because the pencils aren't in here. I'm waiting on some more pencils to come in because I buy those on my subscribe and save on Amazon in bulk, and I forgot I filled this pencil pack without finishing it, so I will need to add the pencils. She has a little boat because I had some extra room. Now and this just broke. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to be sending this to this 2 to 4-year-old girl because, well, it just broke, and also because it's got little parts to it. But this would be really cute to put in a box for a little bit older kid if it wasn't broken. It's a light-up bracelet that I got on clearance yesterday at Dollar General, so I'm going to set that one off to the side. She has a hairbrush. Buy these in bulk off Amazon. She has some dancing ribbon rings, which I like to make. And she's got all kinds of blue colors to go with kind of the blue snowman theme. She has some crayons, and these are, again, a back to school special. She has, inside her box, I made this on Canva, and it says, so Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. I like putting scriptures on there because if they can't read English, they can look it up in their Bible and find out what it says in their language. All right, you ready for the piece de resistance? Okay. This was actually fabric that I bought on Christmas clearance a couple of years ago. It's been in my stash, but over Christmas break, I made this little dress. Isn't that cute? So it's snowflake fabric here. Oops, string. And I found this little sparkly snowflake and color blocked with the gray. And I just think that turned out so adorable. So she's got that dress. She has a note from me. And she has a backpack. I also buy those in bulk. So that is what this little girl's getting. It is in a standard shoebox, which was donated to me. Actually, I have a friend who was just gifted a whole bunch of shoes, and she knew that they were used shoes, but she was gifted these shoes, and she knew that I needed shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child. So she kept the shoes, and she gave me the boxes, and I was thrilled. All right, so that's this box. The other box is very similar, but it has a Christmas theme. I'm just gonna move this out of the way. And I'll repack that one later so I can show you this box. Okay. Again, she has a coloring book. This one's Happy Holidays with a cat on it and a notebook. She has some antlers. She has this little Santa stuffy. Another one of those bracelets that'll go to someone older. A little notebook. A Santa water bottle. A little rubber ducky. Some crayons. Dancing ribbon ring. This one has a Melissa and Doug musical instrument. So it's a tambourine and it's a drum and it sticks. Multi-use instrument. And I took it out of the packaging, and this standard size shoebox, it fits almost exactly, perfectly in there. And that was a Christmas clearance from Walmart this year. She has a pencil pack with all the same things in it, a hairbrush, a note from me, and her dress. Oh, here we go. This one, also clearance Christmas fabric from a couple of years ago. The red polka dot fabric was just in my stash. Added some lace to make it a little bit more cute, but I thought that turned out pretty cute. And her, I need to tape that back. Her note has John 3:16 on it. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. I really hope that these two Christmas-inspired, Christmas clearance, not super expensive shoeboxes, but high-quality items will bless a little girl and let her know that she is loved by the King of Kings, the Creator of the world, and the Lord of Lords. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, toodles! I have them all packed up, ready to go. I added the pencils to the one that needed it. I'm going to add in a few little hair ties in each of these. And I promise you that they fit. So I'm going to put everything in, push the lid down. See, it closes. I'm going to take my rubber band. There we go. And it's got, I don't know, this is January till November. It's got 10 months to sit with another box on top of it to help keep it pressured down until it goes into the processing center and where they will inspect it. This one also. So on this one, the antlers were kind of big, so I had to stick the antlers, or the headband. I had to kind of stick them down and bend it over. Okay, all fits in there. And of course, the most important thing to put in your box is prayer. And definitely praying over both of these boxes for the 2 little girls that are going to receive these. It'll go all the way down. Toodles.